Hey there, it's Dawn D'Amico, your trusted realtor, and welcome to Maximize Your Home. Whether you're buying, selling, or just sprucing up your space, I'm here to share the best tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your home. All right, let's talk about something super simple, but incredibly important when it comes to selling your home, and that is cleaning. I know what you're thinking, cleaning, really, Dawn? But hear me out. This is more than just tidying up. Think of it like giving your home a well-deserved spa day. You wouldn't skip your own facial, right? When buyers walk into your home, they're not just going to look at the big stuff like the kitchen and the bathrooms. They're looking at everything, from the corners of the baseboards to the top of the bookshelves. Yes, even those dusty little corners you thought no one would notice. Spoiler alert, they do. And trust me, a clean home sends the message that says, hey, I've been well taken care of and I'm ready to welcome you in. And buyers just love that. Now, when I say clean, I don't mean just a quick wipe down of the counters and call it a day. No. We're talking about those forgotten areas, the ones you only remember exist when your in-laws are coming over. We're talking about the deep stuff. Baseboards, window frames, light fixtures. You want to make sure every nook and cranny is shining. And if you're like me, that's when you realize dust bunnies have set up camp behind the couch. And here's the deal. Clean home sells faster and for more money. Why? Because buyers can picture themselves moving right in without having to worry about cleaning up after you. It makes the home feel move-in ready and gives it a polished look that really impresses. So if dusting isn't your thing, I get it. Consider hiring a cleaning service. It's worth the investment and your home deserves it. So whether you're treating your home to that much needed spa day or gearing up to sell, giving your home a little extra TLC can make all the difference between just listed and sold in no time. The details matter, and trust me, buyers notice. And if you're looking for guidance or you need a pro to help you through the process of selling, do not hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. All right, let's get into something even HGTV doesn't prepare you for. That is deferred maintenance. Cue the dramatic music. Now look, I know you've probably heard the term before, but let me break it down. Deferred maintenance is all those little things, or not so little things, you've been putting off. You know what I'm talking about? That leaky faucet you swore you'd fix a year ago, or the roof you haven't checked in how long exactly? Yeah, exactly. And listen, I get it. Life gets busy, and suddenly that to-do list becomes more like, we'll do it later list. But here's the thing. When buyers walk into your home, they're not just seeing the charm and the cozy spaces. They're making mental notes about what needs fixing. Buyers, they want to move in, relax, and not immediately schedule an appointment with a plumber or replace a furnace. Trust me, they'll notice all the things you've been avoiding, and that is the last thing you want them to focus on. So here's my advice. It's time to tackle those projects. Go ahead and get that furnace serviced. Check the air conditioning, patch up those driveway cracks, and maybe even take a look at the roof before it turns into a scene from Fixer Upper Stream Edition. And here's the real kicker. Upgrading your equipment, like a shiny new furnace or a brand new air conditioner, it won't necessarily add a ton of value to your home, but here's the twist. Old, neglected equipment, they can absolutely cost you the sale. Think about it. No one wants to pay top dollar for a house that feels like it's held together by duct tape and hope. It's kind of like buying a car with 100,000 miles and expecting it to last forever. So take care of those repairs now, and your future self will thank you. And guess what? So will the buyers. They'll walk in, see that everything's in good shape, and they'll feel confident in their choice. It's a win-win. If you need help figuring out what repairs are worth tackling before you sell, or just need some guidance, reach out. I'm here to help you navigate the process and make sure your home is in top shape for buyers. Now let's take things outside literally. We are talking about something that might seem overwhelming, but can really pack a punch when it comes to selling your home, and that is landscaping. I get it, landscaping can feel like one of those huge expenses that you'd rather not think about. But here's the truth. Curb appeal, it's a big deal. Buyers don't want to pull up to your house and see a front yard that looks like a before shot on a gardening show. You want them to step out of the car and think, wow, I can see myself living here, not where's the lawnmower. A professionally landscaped yard gives buyers that feeling as soon as they pull up to your home. They're already picturing summer barbecues, relaxing on the porch with lemonade, and soaking up all the good vibes. And trust me, that feeling is what makes your home stand out from the rest. But here's the thing, you don't want to wait till you're ready to sell to start making these changes. If you wait till the last minute to do the updates like landscaping, you might not get full value out of it. Buyers are smart. They'll notice if you rushed to spruce things up right before listing your home. They want to buy from someone who has loved and taken care of the home over time, not someone who's doing a last-ditch effort to just sell it. Sometimes adding a few plants, trimming the bushes, or putting in a tree or two can completely transform the space. Start early. That way you can enjoy the benefits of all your improvements while you're still living there, and you're more likely to see the value reflected when it's time to sell. Here's something buyers think about: total costs. They're considering the kitchen reno, the roof repairs, and the landscaping. If they see a yard that needs major work, they're subtracting that cost from their offer. But if your yard is already a showstopper, they might just fall in love before they even step inside. So if your front yard is looking a little worse for the wear, it's time for a quick refresh. Trust me, it can make all the difference when it comes to getting top dollar for your home. Need help figuring out what updates make the most sense for your yard? I'm here to help. Reach out anytime and let's make sure your home and yard are ready to impress potential buyers. Thanks for spending time with me here on Maximize Your Home. From deep cleaning and tackling those maintenance projects to sprucing up your yard, these strategies will help you make your home stand out and sell for the best price. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your home's appeal. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and let's maximize your home together.